Yellow. First time. In the middle.
Mate, buy them if you want to buy them, but they're shy. A man is dying from cancer, and his son asked Dad, why you keep... What? I don't even want to hear that joke. What the fuck?
That's it. Good running. Well in, buddy. Well in. Well in.
Coming in.
Good effort. Great, Paddy. That's it.
Turn, Bertie.
Push on him. Just fit.
Oh,
that's it, Paddy, that's it.
Yeah, watch
Go.
Mitch, you got to stay!
Wait, Dougie. Come on, have a go.
Unlucky, lad.
Unlucky.
That's fine, I'm trying to be a second. Rob's too close and Pat's too far. What are you going to do?
Yeah, that's it, innit? Yeah.
One there.
They're always struggling for players then, as well. They've never, I don't think they've had a simple season. They've always got 7.
Come on, Piero. Come on. Come on.
Let's go, Tim! Tim! Yeah! What's the run in the middle? This! In the middle there! One on the left! Get out! Easy, give me the option line. Charles, good pass, mate. Get back
Right, make the run, come on. Yes, well done, Bernie, well in.
What's that, 2-1 ball?
Yeah.
They should be winning, though.
Yeah, of course, yeah. Been alone.
That's it, Paddy, watch your back.
Oh, you're gone.
Go on, Paddy, that's it. Go on, Pierre, make a run for him.
It's a good ball.
Unlucky. Unlucky, that's grip, mate.
Goal. I'm goal. Solo. Go solo. It's alright, I like this guy. Yeah. Fuck it out. You got the big.
Yeah.
Bibs for us, is it?
Yeah, the away team, yeah. Sorry, boys. Huh? No, green ones, green.
Green.